Hey guys, let's start practicing SQL together. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and check out my education on Udemy. Hey guys, so we are ready to continue practicing SQL queries. Before this video, we set pgadmin4, which is the graphical interface for our queries, and PostgreSQL, which keeps our database and creates a server in our local machine. Our first query is select asterisk from film. Film is a table in our restored database. If you check on the left side, click on schemas. Here, tables. You can see all the tables available in this database. We use the film table, which stores many different fields. The SQL select statement is used to select data from a database. The data returned is stored in a result table called the result set. Here, we select everything from film. If you would like to select only one field, you can define here, for example, select title from film. If you run it, as you see, we only select the title. At the same time, you can select multiple rows, because sometimes in a database table there are so many rows that we are not really using. If you define here, select title, description, and release year from film table. As you see, now we have 3 fields here. Our second SQL statement is where. The where clause is used to filter records and extract only those records that fulfill a specified conditions. Our syntax is the same. Firstly, we should write select from a table. Now, where we should define a condition. For example, we can choose the movies which released at 2006. So we select everything from film table where released year is 2006. As you see now, all the movies from 2006 are listed. We can change our condition to something else. For example, title. When your condition is an integer, you can directly write it as release year equal to 2006. But if it's a text or string, you have to put brackets around it. Here, please be careful to put correct brackets. It should be a single ones. And type any title you want to search. Now we select all the data from film table where the title only chamber Italian. And run this query. As you see, there is only one record in our table. The film ID is 133 and the title is chamber Italian. Here, if you use the equal sign, there must be only one condition. With the where clause, you can also use different operators, such as greater, less than, greater than or equal for integers. It can be between, like, or in. For example, in to specify multiple possible values for a column. Like, search for a pattern, between a certain range. Here, let's change our condition. As we want to select everything from film table where release year larger than 2005. As I mentioned that for integers you can use greater operator, or it can be equal, less than, even greater than or equal. Also, if you'd like to run a single line here, because we also have where and different queries, you have to select all the line, then click the run button. As you see, we list every movie released year after 2005. If I change 2007 and run it again, now we don't have any movie which released after 2007. Also, we don't have any movie which is greater than 2006. But if we use greater than or equal, now we can see all the movies here. Our next statement is order by. Order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending order. For example, let's try it. We select everything from film table where release year greater than 2006. And we wanna order this film ID ascending. So we have to write ASC. Select this line and run. As you see now, we see the movies ascending by film ID. If I type here DESC, it stands for descending order. And run it again. You see, now it's from 1000 to 1. This really helps us to find the correct data easily. For example, imagine you have a customer and usually it has a creation date. If you would like to see the latest customer created with your application, you can select the table customer and order by creation date DSC. And afterwards you will see the first record is the latest customer created. So our next statement is insert into. This statement is used to insert new records in a table. It is really important for us testers because we can use this statement to create the data for testing purposes. So for example, imagine you are testing a mobile application and you need a user with 5 accounts and the account creation part is not completed yet. So there is no way that you can use user interface to create this. The simplest solution will be directly inserting a data to your database with 5 accounts and afterwards you can easily use this user. So personally, I insert data many times to database to be able to test different functions. So let's insert the first data. I will use a different table for this. Now, please select everything from actor table. As you can see on the left side, we have many different tables, and actor is one of these. Here, we have actor ID, first name, last name, and the last update fields. To insert the data to this table, we have to type insert into in the table name, values, open brackets. Our first value is actor ID. It's an integer, so we can directly write a number here. The second is first name. Because this is a string, we have to put single brackets. The first name can be software testing. After comma, we have to define the last name is masterclass. Now, if you run this query, as you see, we get the result as query returned successfully. Again, let's select everything and scroll down. We insert our data into actor table. Actor ID is 1001, first name software testing, masterclass, and we didn't send the data last update since our server directly updated. Now please at least insert 5 data into this table. It can be one of your friend, family, or just made up something. Our next statement is update. We use update statement to modify the existing record in a table. So now I will update our new actor. To update the data, first we have to write update, and after the table name, set, and now we have to define which field we would like to update. For example, let's change the first name. First name equal to can be Ozan. And after we have to define the condition, where actor ID is equal to 1001. Let's run it. It's successful again. Now, again, if we select everything from actor table and scroll down, our actor name is Ozan, and all other fields are the same. Our next statement is delete. It's easy to understand that we use this statement to delete existing record in a table. But please be careful when deleting records in a table. Notice the where clause in the delete statement. The where clause specifies which records should be deleted. If you omit the where clause, all records in the table will be deleted. Honestly, it will create a big problem for you. So every time you use delete or update, please be careful what are you deleting and updating. If you don't really know, please ask one of the developers around you to assist you. So now I will delete my actor, which I inserted in this table. To make it possible, I should type delete from and define the table name. From actor table, where, and this is our condition. I will choose actor ID because it's a unique ID and there is only one single record associated with this. So actor ID is equal to 1001. Now I can run this. As you see, I only deleted one item. If I select it again, now our actor is gone. You can delete any other records as you wish. Now please, it's your time to practice. To practice, please insert 5 actor to actor table, update 3 of them, their first name and last name, and after delete all the 5 actors. That's it. I hope you have a good understanding of SQL queries now. It is really important part of our job and you can perform testing much better. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial.